Brian.
What?
We bought another car, didn't we? This one's pretty cool though. It's actually one of 3,078 of the cars that they built. It's one of 471 in the year that they built them. I think they built them from 01 to 05, I believe. And it's coming today. It's getting delivered, and we're excited.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep an eye out for it here, and then we're going to talk about it here in just a little bit. Are you excited? Oh, no, I am. It's going to be cool as hell, man.
Yeah.
Well, here it is. We're going to get him back into the shop here in a second. That way we can really check it out, and we'll go from there. So this is exciting. Oh shit, Ryan, you're funny as hell, man. All right, let's talk about what we got going on here, shall we?
Sure.
What is this, Brian?
Lexus IS 300.
Yes?
Sportcross.
That's right. That is right. Man, how freaking cool is this car? Right?
Awesome.
I know. I'm so excited.
There's something really special inside of it.
What is it?
2JZ engine.
That's right. It's our first 2JZ. I've always wanted to get one. Finally, we got one. And I'm so excited about it. So this is our 2003 Lexus IS 300 Sportcross. And so in 2003, they only built 471 of these cars. Isn't that wild?
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
So they only built 471 of these cars in 2003. Overall, they built 3,078 of them. And now we have one of them. And that's exciting. So it's in really good shape. It's got quite a few miles on it. It's like 225,000, somewhere around there. And the interior, are you eating snow?
No.
The interior needs some work done to it, so we're definitely gonna have to do that. It's got some dents and dings here and there. There's one there. I think there's one on the door. The other side's been door checked, I believe. So we, I don't know. We'll probably fix it. So aftermarket wheels, tinted windows. What are you doing? And it's got these fancy taxi driver seat covers because... Whoa, whoa! What the? The seats are in pretty rough shape. So, I know a guy in Tell City that will be able to redo them, and we are going to get that done. So, kind of a neat looking dash cluster. What the? Neat looking dash cluster we got going on. That's exciting. And it's got this manual mode, right? So you got your down button here and you got your up button there. And you freaking, right? Like a freaking, I don't know, Ferrari something, man. So anywho, I don't know what happened. The video cut off. We're going to tint out the taillights. And definitely going to have to look at maybe a new rear spoiler. I'm not a big fan of that spoiler. It's really small. Yeah, we're going to take those stickers off. And that sticker off. Put some Shaky Leg Road Rally stuff on, right? You're rocking the Shaky Leg Road Rally shirt. So, yeah. So how about it, Brian? Do you think it's cool, man?
Yeah.
We got some work we're going to do to it. I mean, it's just going to be a daily, but it's still going to be a cool car because life's too short to drive a boring car. So, anyway, Brian's going to take off now, I guess. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We just wanted to kind of throw this out there. I know we haven't posted in a while, but yeah, we've been quite busy with the holidays and everything, and you know how crazy that gets. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe, Brian said. We will see you in the next video, right?
Yeah.
All right, see ya.